Hey y'all, Diamond Painting Cajun. How are y'all doing today? Everybody calls me Cajun. My name is Debbie. Yeah, so how is everybody doing today? It's good to see y'all. Y'all got coffee. It's good to see y'all. I hope everybody and your families are doing good. And so what's up with you guys? What are y'all working on? Y'all gonna leave it in the comments below for me? I would really like to see what everybody's working on. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're not new, welcome back. If you have not subscribed, please consider hitting the subscribe button and like button, as this helps my channel. Pretty sure everybody knows that, but you know, I'm gonna say it every time. I have some unboxings today. No, an unbagging actually. One of them, actually both of them, my hubby ordered. I didn't order it. He ordered it. I didn't even know. I didn't get, it came in last week, but I didn't get a chance. I have, you know, everybody knows I have a lot going on. So I'm gonna do it today. So anyway, y'all, how's y'all weather wherever you're at? Because over here, it's like 85 degrees. It's here in Louisiana, it's 85 degrees and it's smoking hot. You know, just hot, y'all, hot. God. But I like it because I hate winter. Oh my God, I do not like winter. I do not like winter, y'all. I'm just saying. One more time, I don't like winter. But anyway, so before I do the unbagging, I want to chit chat with y'all. When I hit 500 subscribers, I'm giving away a diamond painting. And it's like a good diamond painting. Okay, so y'all, get me to 500. Y'all, get me to 500. I really want to get to 1,000, but I'm doing one step at a time. Because once I hit 1,000, I would like to start going live. I think it's 1,000 you need for live. I don't know. Y'all leave it in the comment section below. I think you need 1,000. I hope you don't need like all kind of, y'all give me all the likes y'all can, because I think it also goes by the likes, if I'm not mistaken. So the more I get, I want to go live, just so y'all know. Okay, because I like to talk. And so I think live whipping chats or live videos every now and then and stuff, at least twice a month or something, would be great. You know, just to get to know y'all and stuff better, because I know sometimes on lives, like, more people come and visit you. So I like that. Like, I like to get to know, like, where everybody's from and what are y'all doing. And that's just me. That's how Cajuns do. We just want to know everything. For real, I ain't lying. No, y'all. Seriously, I'm not being nosy. I'm just saying. Sometimes we're a little bit nosy. I just want to get to know, like, where everybody's from, like, around the world. And like, it's just cool to me. Like, you know, I don't know, I'm a people person, like, big time. I was shy at first to be on camera, but like, as for in real life people, like people I see or whatever, I'll stop and talk to them. I don't care. Like, it don't bother me. Well, I swear, because I was a supervisor for a set of chain stores, and I was in retail for like 22 years. So I was supervisor for a long, like, I worked my way up, you know, to supervisor, but I dealt with the retail for like 22 years. So all I did every day, all day, was like talk to people, you know, people that would come in and out the stores and stuff. And when it was my turn to go from store to store, I still talk to people. So, you know, but yeah, that's why I talk a lot, y'all, because I just like to. That's what Cajuns do. And our hands are flying and all kind of stuff. Y'all know how it is. Anyway, okay, enough of that. I'm gonna get on with the unbaggings because I've done rambled on enough. Y'all, thank y'all again for watching my channel. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. I say this in every video I possibly can, because I truly care about each and every one of y'all and y'all families and stuff. You know, I don't know y'all personally, but I feel like I do. You know, from like the comments and me talking back to y'all, answering y'all comments or whatever. Like, I really care about y'all people, you know, like I do. So, what I want to say is thank y'all very, very much. And y'all get me to 500, please. Get me to 500. Bunch of likes too. Feel free to comment in the comment section below. And everything you're going to see, I'm going to link it in the description box. Okay? So let's get on with it. Oh, it's not even open. Hold on, let me grab scissors. Yo, today it's another hot day. And here in Louisiana, it's so hot. I say hot, it's not like definitely hot, but it's hot. But I ain't complaining. I need to shut up because I like warm weather. I love it. Okay, so hubby ordered me this diamond painting. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see, y'all. It's the first time I see it. I mean, I know what it is because I've seen it when he ordered it. I didn't know that something was coming in, but let me move all this shenanigans out of the way. Okay, so diamond painting from Amazon. It came with 2 drill pins, a multi-placer, and a single placer. I think this is a 7-placer, and a boat, a squishy, and a piece of wax. So yeah. And then let's see the painting. I'm gonna roll it back first because it's wrinkly. I say wrinkly, you know how it goes. Yeah, like I said, I didn't see it, so you know. Oh, it's so cute, y'all. It's a 30 by 40 centimeter. This is the thumbnail. They have schematics on the top left and the bottom right. And it's flowers and mushrooms, y'all. It's cute. Look, all the pretty colors. So we're going to see the drills in a minute. I hope you guys can see that. Look how cute it is. The drill field is clear. Yo, that's cute. Good job, hubby. Look how cute it is. Oh, that's cute, y'all. I like it. Go, hubby. Hubby gets brownie points. I'm going to show it to y'all a little bit at a time so y'all can really see it up close. The drill field is clear. It is a round, full round drill. And it's a 30 by 40 centimeter. And I looked it up today, and it was $6.98 on Amazon. The drill field is clear. Those are the colors. I'm going to show y'all these colors up close. Look how pretty the colors are. I wonder if this would go in a jungle theme. Do mushrooms and flowers grow in the jungle? I know like trees grow in the jungle and flowers grow in the jungle, but do these type of flowers grow in the jungle? I don't know. Probably not. I don't know nothing about flowers, I swear. Let's see. We're going to try to see if the stick is good. Stick is awesome. And let me flatten this out so I don't have to do it after a while. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. I like it. What y'all think about it? Hubby did good or what? I think hubby did good. I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think I had it like in my save section with like 1,000 other things. So he still did good anyway. It was in my save for later section. He still did good. So yeah, they have, let's see if it has DMC. Yeah, it does have the DMC codes as well. So look how pretty it is, y'all, for real. My goodness. I love it. I really can't wait to do this. It's really pretty. I'm going to show y'all the drills. I'll take them out because it's not that big of a deal to put a little bit of drills back in. It's when I have a painting with a lot of drills. It's a lot. So we're going to take a quick look at the drills, y'all. All right, so I'm going to turn them this way. So there's some purples, blacks, yellows, browns, whatever you call them, rustic, reds, purples, some grays, light grays, lighter grays, different type of red, like a pinkish purple, I don't know, orange, goldish, gold, a lot of golden, yellow gold, peach. I'm just gonna scroll through the colors. Definitely lots of greens. The drills look pretty good too. They're the bottoms look really flat. I usually don't have trouble with any of these drills. Look at those colors. Oh, I love those aqua greens and blues. Look at that, pretty colors. So those are the colors that's in the painting, the diamond painting. It doesn't look like there's a lot of confetti. Well, there's at the bottom, kind of, yeah. At the bottom, half of it, yeah. There's kind of a lot of confetti at the bottom portion. But, you know, it is what it is. It's okay. I'm just going to take my time and do one color at a time. And it's all good. I mean, I usually section mine off, you know. So those are the, see, y'all could see the confetti color, like the colors of confetti. A little bit. And then there is some color blocking as well. But it's not really that much color blocking. But it's okay. I mean, it's only a 30 by 40 centimeter. So it's really not that... It's not that big. I'll survive. But yeah, so that's one. Oh, well, I think the other one's something else, but now let's see if I can. I'm gonna get to these back as well. That could be a minute. That could take a hot minute. I love it. It's pretty. Tell me what y'all think. If y'all like it or whatever. Okay, I got another one. And I opened this. I didn't look at it or whatever, but this is a diamond painting book. He also bought this. Go hubby. Oh my God, because I've been wanting this. But I just had these things on my save for later list. Like the list of 1,000, you know. But look how cute it is. I'd rather be diamond painting. Ain't that the fact? And it says Dottie for diamonds. Let's see. And then, so this is how each page is, I guess. Yes. So this is how each page is. This is what it says inside. Like it asks you, I'm going to show y'all and then I'm going to go over it. So y'all can see what it asks you and how it looks inside. Just in case y'all want to buy one. So at the beginning it says the name of the design, the canvas size, the picture size, the square around drill. I purchased this kit from, or was it gifted by, and then it has like advanced, intermediate, beginner, and then it has a place for the price here. And then it says, after the completion of this piece, I kept it for myself, sold it, gifted it to a loved one, other, or, and it asks, I gifted it to, I sold it for. Like you can write all of that. Notes and ideas for the next project. You put your photo of whatever you're doing right here. It also has how much I love this project, so you rate it right here. And the start and the completion date. Yeah. Start of it, completion, start and completion. Yo, this is cool. The name of and the design, and I would put like the author right here. The artist, I'm sorry, the artist. That's what I would do, but that's just me. So look how cool, y'all. I think this is pretty neat. I freaking love it. So now I get to put, I had it in a notebook. I had it in this notebook. Like all the ones that I started and done and stuff. Not to say that I've completed any, but I just did stick the stickers in there. So maybe I can undo all these stickers and put them in there, like tape them in there. Because I have quite a few, you know. So instead of keeping them in here, I can take them out and put them in my book now. I think I'm just gonna cut around it and tape it, then write, because I remember like about them, what I did and all that. And obviously I know if it's a square or a round drill. So those are the two things hubby bought me. Go hubby. Kudos to hubby. Yeah, he picked those things out on Amazon out of my, like I said, my 1,000 thing list, save for later list. Y'all, I've had so much stuff saved on Amazon, it's not even funny. I don't know how he chose all that. I really don't. Because like I have a lot. But anyway, I want to thank you guys for watching. And I really appreciate y'all. Please give this video a thumbs up. And if you are not a subscriber, please consider doing so. And leave comments in the comment section below. I want to know all about what y'all working on. I always do, you know. That's me. And also, these two things will be linked in the description box. So, with that said, you guys have a great day. And I love y'all. Bye.